All right.
Kick.
Your baby's kicking?
Kick.
Oh, goodness. Okay, can you sit in a chair? You probably should sit down for a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
So it can grow.
That's right, so your baby can grow. Gotta take good care of that baby in there.
I will.
All right. Yeah.
Because stay away from my baby, because if you poke it, it will make it cry, okay?
Okay, I think he understands.
You put it... What?
Micah, can you show me how you get back up out of the chair? Micah, can you get back up? Whoa, very good. Look at that baby. Oh.
It still has to grow.
It still has to grow? Okay. Here.
When you hear the thump sound, that means he's already grown, okay?
Okay.
That's how I hold my toes in like the chair.
Does that mean she's already grown?
Yep.
Are we going to get to meet your baby now?
Yep.
Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, so pretty! What a beautiful baby! What are you going to name? What are you...
Hey, yo! Look at this!
I see. What is this?
Statue! It's my baby.
What's your baby's name?
It's another Molly name.
Oh, what a sweet baby.